Today's adventure is going to be done from Shawnee Lookout. This is in Ohio, Cleves, Ohio. I got more to talk about Ohio towards the end of the video. But right now, I'm going to run a little bit of footage of us getting here. And then we're going to hit the trail. The trail we're hitting today is called Turtle Creek Trail. It's not a difficult trail, it's quite an easy trail. And we're also coming here, of course, Angie, which I call Compass, until we get off the trail. And with my oldest son. He hasn't been hiking with us, oh my lord, since last November. Alright guys, let's get some beauty. We just found out there's chickadees in these woods. I have to say, well, it's getting ready to go to a grassy area now, but what we're walking on is some type of gravel. We see that a lot in our adventures. But it looks like it's getting ready to go to grass, and maybe we'll see some of these chickadees. That'd be cool. But here I'm in Cleves, Ohio, and here at Shawnee Lookout, they have some of the most prettiest trails. I like to say it's the first time doing these trails, but it's not. But it has been years. We're talking about 16 years ago, we did the trails last. But we're here today to do a trail and just enjoy. This is quite beautiful.
Flat.
Oh, we're coming off the grass and going back to dirt, gravel. That was interesting. I'm gonna go back. Quite beautiful through here. What do you think, Compass?
It's pretty.
I know, right?
If it wasn't for the power lines.
Yeah, and the smokestacks over yonder.
Oh, the smokestacks are pretty.
If you say so. I like getting little strange things on my videos. I don't know what it is, trees and tree branches. I like. Oh, interesting. Which way do we go now, Compass? Do I have two compasses? How do you know we go left? Where does the sign say left?
Because we're going to come back out on that side.
Oh, I knew that. I knew that. Well, there's a bench.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we'll go this way. That I'm not used to. Whenever we bring Justin with us, my oldest son, he likes to be in the lead. I'm another person who likes to be in the lead. As you see in most of my videos, I'm usually way ahead of Compass. Now, Justin and I are going to be fighting for the lead, but then again, I don't want him to feel uncomfortable, so a lot of the shots I get of the trail may have Justin in them. At least the backside of them anyway, right? Alright guys, I'm going to take this moment for the next few minutes and enjoy myself. I'm going to feel where I'm at and, yeah, enjoy the beauty, and I'll let you guys come with me. But right now, let's just enjoy the beauty. Did you say you had to go pee?
I said it's a good place to go pee.
I wouldn't trust it here. We don't know Ohio that well enough to go pee. At least in the sticks, anyway.
Oh, this is a beautiful shot, honey.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of nowhere, and then
There's a tower.
a power line.
A power line tower. Holy. And there's another one over there, and a bunch more on the other side of this field. Oh, this is beautiful. Well, you never know where the trail might lead you, or at least a venture anyway. Right here is a game trail. It kind of goes all the way down through this field. Look at this. Oh, if I knew this place well enough, or if I knew I wouldn't get in trouble, I wouldn't mind walking down through there. But this is a park I don't know that well. So we're going to obey the rules and stay on the trail. And here's that other tower. Well, people got to have electric and they got to go somewhere. High voltage, keep off. Well, I don't plan on touching it. No. Carry on, guys, carry on. Well, we bought a season pass for all the Hamilton County parks. And we needed this because our adventures of hiking is not just going to stay in Indiana. We're branching out in Ohio, and eventually we're going to be branching out in Kentucky too. You know, the adventure never, well, I want the adventure to be in multiple places, obviously. Now, I'm not sure what kind of plants them are. Let me hold the camera up and see if you can see down. Not sure what them are. You know, I got an app from my phone the other day that's supposed to tell me what certain plants are, right? It let me use it twice, then it tells me I have to pay for it. Go figure, right? This is actually quite beautiful through here. You know what? Let's take the easy way. Let's take the trail. Yeah. An old dead tree trunk. For the life of me, I don't know why I find beauty in this, but I do. Wow. Look at this. Carry on. Hold up.
They don't care which other trees they snuff out.
Exactly.
Now, are these trees dead right through there?
Okay.
Oh, what's this sign say? Huh. But they all look, through this way, they all look dead. Makes me wonder if it was a beetle. Interesting. Let's carry on. A pretty good size hill. Still quite beautiful though. I have to say this is quite a steep hill. Holy. Almost up to the top. We'll stop right here and look back down. It don't look that steep from up here. Huh. Okay, we don't know if this is a seat.
Oh, that's a different one.
It is a different seat. Thought the trail ended for a minute.
Yeah, you need that seat.
Who does? Me?
No. Indiana.
Right over there in the distance is the state of Indiana.
275.
Beautiful. Continue on. Look at the bark of this tree. Oh, wow. This is so fascinating. Let's get a close-up shot. Oh, that is actually quite fascinating. One of these days I will learn my trees and my plants. I will use my app, but the app's gonna make me pay for it. So one day I will learn the trees and the plants, or actually pay for the app. Because I like to know what kind of tree that was back there. My father, all he had to do was either look at the bark on a tree or a leaf on that tree. And he was able to identify dang near every tree, at least in this region. I don't know how in the heck he did some of the things, but that was one of the things that was amazing my father was able to do. Compass, oh, there it is. Compass says she thinks there's something in there. I think it's a squirrel, because I see the squirrel come down out of a tree. Oh, I was hoping it might be deer.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It was a
Huh. I don't know, Compass. I mean, grant you the trail's easy, but I don't know about you, but it slightly kicked my butt a little bit.
Because it's got that uphill. Up
Yeah.
and downhill.
Yeah, but we've done the hills before in other trails.
Well, yeah, but they're usually not that steep.
Yeah. I was hoping to go without my hoodie, but it felt a little nippy. Now I kind of wish I didn't bring my hoodie, because now I'm sweating.
But it's still a little nippy out.
Yeah, it's still a little nippy here in southeast, well, in southeastern Ohio.
Actually, we are in southwestern Ohio.
Oh, southwestern. To be correct, it's southwestern Ohio. Oh, there's, well, that's not. See, that right there is interesting too. This tree over here, is it just losing its bark? Or did deer with antlers do that to that tree? Well, vine. I don't know. Let's continue on down the trail, guys. If I don't break my neck with them tree branches first. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look. Okay. We're getting back on the trail. I got to keep my mind on the trail. Okay, right here is where we made the full circle. Here's that bench. And here's where we made the right to go down this trail. And it goes into a big, huge circle and comes out right about here. So this means we pretty much are almost done with the trail. It's not bad. It's a super easy trail. It does have some hills, but I mean, they're not difficult hills. And it's very well laid out. There's no obstacles majorly to trip, slip, fall on. And it's quite easy. Trails are wide enough. So if you guys ever out here in Cleves, Ohio, you ever want to come to Shawnee Lookout, I suggest do so. Place is phenomenal. We're going to be back here again, obviously, to do more trails. The adventure never stops. But until next time, guys, this is it for today's adventure. I'm going to ask you all a question. I want you to leave it down in the comments. Something I've been questioning myself. Do you like the videos being 30 minutes? Sometimes more? Or do you like the videos being less than 30 minutes? Like maybe down to 10, 12, 15 minutes? This is something I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Because to be honest with you, when I'm out here and I'm recording, I want to get so much on here. I want to get so much beauty because I want to present it to you guys. I want to show you what I see. And when I do that, the videos end up to being 30 minutes or more. The video we're doing now might be 30 minutes or more. But let me know down in the comments. You know? So until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.